Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again with me, Jack Panavara. Today I'm going to review or unboxing my latest t-shirt from Jil Sander. I've been dreaming of this t-shirt for a long time. I actually saw it's the first time in August 2019. If I'm not wrong, I saw it one of the influencer on the Instagram. He was wearing that t-shirt and I fell in love with it since the first time I saw it. And I've been waiting for about a year, so I bought it around like 150 euro, which is very good price of this t-shirt actually. So let me show you. Ta-da! This one. It's a Jil Sander t-shirt with the logo minimalistic style in the front, and in the back is plain white t-shirt. So this version it comes in the I believe that this is the first version of Jil Sander t-shirt with the logo on it, because the tag here, if you can see, this tag is still it comes in a smaller version. But I know that in the new version of this t-shirt they have a bigger neck tag here, which is a little bit lower than this one, and it's more like rectangular than this one. This one is very small label on the neck tag, and I really love the quality of this textile because it's so heavy. It's like heavy cotton t-shirt, and the way that they cut is so neat and so tidy. I really love this one. I think it would look great on me. So let's take a look. Another thing about the print is that I really love the prints, how they made the prints. So you can see that it's not like a typical printing over the textile, but if you carefully look at this, it's like they have printed on each line of the textile on the cotton. It's really high quality piece, and I am totally in love with this. And let's take a look inside. Here is the wash tag. So this one come in size M, Jil Sander size M, and a typical style Jil Sander wash tag. But so I actually wore it already one time before, and it's my bad. I put it in the washing machine, even in the hand wash mode, according to this instruction. And what I found is that t-shirt is kind of shrink a little bit, so you can see this wash tag is come closer a little bit, so it makes like a tiny bump here, because originally it was like this, like no bumps at all, but now there is a little bump here because I put it in the washing machine. And yeah, it's my bad. But overall I really like the design and the silhouette of this t-shirt, because I already fell in love with minimalistic and oversized style for a while. If you see in my previous videos in my channel, so I have reviewed some of the t-shirt that I bought from COS a year ago in exactly the same style. I think COS had the inspiration from Jil Sander a year ago. But anyway, overall it gives me a very minimalistic look, and I love it, like for everyday wear, or like casual occasions to see my friend in one of the evening, or like go to a dinner with my friend in a minimal look. So it's really good. I'm so happy with this. Oh, by the way, I have just recently purchased this Jil Sander Sunman. I mean, I was looking for the perfume, but I didn't really like the perfume that much, so I prefer, I just want to have like a kind of like Jil Sander day, so that's why I bought that one. Whenever I wear this t-shirt, I will put that deodorant on. So that's it. That's my review of this Jil Sander t-shirt today. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you in the next video soon. I promise I will try to do it in like at least within a month. I will not wait any longer to do another video in like a year again. I promise I will do it soon. So see you in the next video. Bye.